In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and work with Wix sections, a fundamental skill for anyone looking to create a dynamic and visually appealing website using the Wix platform. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up on your skills, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. To kick things off, you need to access the Wix website editor. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening your desired project. Once in the editor, you'll find yourself presented with the core tools to manipulate and enhance your website's layout. Look for the option that allows you to add new content. This is paramount for increasing versatility on your web pages. Next, to enhance your site, click on the Add Section button. This feature opens a portal to a plethora of design elements you can integrate into your page. Adding different sections not only organizes information neatly, but also captivates your visitors by breaking up chunks of text and adding visual interest. Now you'll want to choose a specific section to add. Wix offers a wide variety of pre-designed sections, each serving distinctive purposes from image galleries and testimonials to service listings and contact forms. Choose one that aligns with your website's theme and editorial style. This selection will play a pivotal role in how users experience the content you offer. Once you've settled on a section type, you can indulge your creative side by choosing a design that fits your aesthetic preferences. The design choice is crucial because it contributes to the overall coherence and professionalism of your site. Exploring different color schemes, fonts, and layout settings can often inspire new ideas and approaches to presenting your content. After choosing a design that suits your brand and theme, click on the section itself to begin working directly with its layout. This action unlocks more editing capabilities tailored for that section, providing you maximum flexibility to customize to your heart's content. If at any point you want to give a section a fresh new look, click on Change Background. This tool allows you to adjust the section's visual backdrop using colors, images, or even videos to create a unique ambience. Changing the background can dramatically alter the mood and style of a section, making this an important tool for personalization. Lastly, for a more streamlined editing experience, click on Quick Edit. This function provides a simplified interface for making swift changes, perfect for when you're tinkering with layout or trying out new ideas. It's a handy option for making minor adjustments without diving into more granular settings. By following these steps, you'll be able to adeptly harness the power of Wix sections to create a beautiful, functional website that effectively communicates your message and engages your audience. Keep experimenting with these tools, explore different combinations of sections and designs, and let your creativity shine through each page of your site.